The fact that Eve ate the fruit after being deceived and persuaded by the serpent, who symbolized Lucifer, became Satan, means that she committed fornication with him. Since eating something means making it part of our flesh and our blood, the fact that Eve then gave the fruit of good and evil to Adam and he ate of it, means that Eve led Adam to fall by the same act of illicit sexual love. The root of sin lies not in the fact that humanity's first ancestors ate a literal fruit, but in the fact that they established a blood relationship through sexual fornication with the angel, symbolized by the serpent. Indeed, in Jude 6:7 we read that the angels committed fornication on a par with Sodom and Gomorrah. Jude 6-7:6 And the angels who did not keep their positions of authority but abandoned their proper dwelling, these he has kept in darkness, bound with everlasting chains for judgment on the great day. 7 In a similar way, Sodom and Gomorrah and the surrounding towns gave themselves up to sexual immorality and perversion. This blood relationship caused original sin to pass from generation to generation. All religions have pointed to and fought adultery as one of the most serious sins. We can eliminate all other sins through social, educational, economic, technological and information technology improvements. But even if civilization develops and economic and social conditions improve, creating more serene living situations, well-being and happiness, the increase in sexual licentiousness and the inclination to moral degradation cannot be stopped. The reason why Satan is able to destroy the right order of man's love is that our forefathers became husband and wife without God's permission and blessing, and joined with Satan, their false parents. Their children were thus born as children of sin, not of God, and they established a world without faith, of evil and wars. As a result, Satan dominated man as it pleased him. John 8:44. Despite the fact that God created man and the cosmos, he was never able to have the central role in any of the world's events, nor to rule it according to his will alone. Man placed Satan in the leading position, and Satan improperly played the part of the Lord. It is for this reason that he is referred to as the prince of this world, John 12:31, and the god of this world, 2 Corinthians 4:4.